Welcome back for the online class. Let us continue with a few more examples related to 4, 8 and empath. As previously I discussed on the content that the theoretical content, how the connectivity can be made. Now let us take with the example. Consider the image segmentation as shown in the below figure. Means the image will be shown in 4 by 4 matrix in terms of like a rows and the column. Now in the first part, okay, V will be given as 0 and 1. You need to find a 4, 8 and M path between P and Q. Means you need to connect the adjacent pixel, neighbor pixel, provided if its value will be from V. What will be the V? 0 and 1. Okay. Now you have to find a path from 4, that is a P to Q. Okay, P is also given, Q is given here. Okay. Now let us see how we can make a 4 path. Okay, there may be n number of paths will be exist for a 4 path. Okay, you need to choose the whichever the shortest path. Okay, that will be valid for the image. Okay, now from where you are supposed to go, from P to Q. Okay, now initially the first part we'll see how we can go with the 4 path. The 4th path is nothing but first, which is your the first pixel to be chosen, P. That is, what is the value of that? 1. You need to check its adjacent value or its neighbor value. Okay, the 4 path will be like this. Means you have to check either in horizontal or vertical. Okay, these are the, okay, now means which is a neighbor pixel of this one. Okay, this one. Okay, it's this one, this one. Okay, now its value, okay, its value will be from 0 and 1. Okay, now when you are making a 0 and 1, okay, let us take that when its adjacent pixel is its value will be from V, make a connection. Okay, means 1 is from the V, 0 is also from V. Okay, now if I choose this path, okay, this path. Okay, now when you choose this path, you may ask that, okay, if let us take the, I made a connection between pixel P to the above in the above pixel. When you proceed all the way, where you have to reach, you have to reach to the Q. When you proceeding for the next connectivity, you can't go like this, because the 2 is not from the V. You can't go from this one, the 2 is also not from V. So you'll be hang up. When you hang up, so that there is no path, okay, don't make a forcibly. Okay, when there is no path, you have to stop. Okay, now let us take that if I choose this path. Okay, means can I make a connection here? Yes. Why? Because 0 is from the vector V. You made a connectivity. Okay, now which are the adjacent pixel for this 0? 2, 1, because already you made a connection to this. Okay, now in which direction you can choose? You can't make a connectivity in the above. Okay, what you can make? You can make a connectivity in this fashion. Yes. Okay, now look at this, how I am moving. Either I am moving in horizontally or vertically, up or down, horizontally, left or the right. Okay, now where you are right now, in this pixel. Okay, you check its neighbor pixels. Which are the neighbor pixel? This pixel and this pixel. All the way you can't go here, because 2 is not from the V. So what the connection you can make here? This way. Yes. Okay, now when you make the connection, okay, now all the way you have reached at this point. The path, the from P to this one. Okay, you have traversed 1 2 3 pixels. Okay, now let us take that all the way, which is the destination? Q. Where you have to reach now? Okay, Q. Okay, you check the adjacent pixel of this pixel. Okay, this pixel. Okay, adjacent pixels. Which are the adjacent pixel? This one and this one. Okay, now where you can't go, you make a connectivity between. Okay, connectivity like this. Connection has been established. Okay, now because 0 is from the vector v, yes. Okay, now all the way you have reached up to this point. Okay, means this point means 0 point. Where you have to reach? You have to reach to the q. Okay, when you're reaching to the q, okay, in the 4 path you can't go diagonally. Okay, there is a condition that you have to go either in a vertical fashion or you have to go in a horizontal fashion. 2 you can't go, this 2 you can't go because anyway these are not from the vector v. Okay, but you can't move in this fashion. Okay, when you can't move in this fashion, you have to state that there is no path existence for this vector v, 0 and 1 for 4 path. I hope you understood. There is no path. Okay, since path does not exist between p and q for 4 path. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Okay, like this. Okay, all the way you have reached at this point, reach at this point. Okay, reached at this point, you have reached at this point, but you can't go, so you have to stop. Means you have to stop means there is no path exist. Okay, this is what the first problem for the 4 path has been solved. Okay, now let us move to the 8 path. Okay, now in 8 path, okay, there is a facility that you can go diagonally also. When you're going in diagonal fashion, you need to check its diagonal pixel value has to be from vector v. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, let us again, we'll come back from the beginning. Okay, which is your source? P. Which is your destination? Q. Okay, now tell me that. Okay, now which are the adjacent pixel for this one? 1 and 0. Okay, now what you can't choose this way, this way, this way, because there is no connectivity for these pixel because they are not from the vector v. Okay, all the way I will choose this condition. Okay, now you reached at this pixel. Okay, now you are at this pixel. Okay, check its adjacent pixel. Okay, now when you're checking the adjacent pixel, okay, in 8 path you check its diagonal pixel also. Which are the diagonal pixels? Okay, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, now and in the beginning I made a statement clear that you need to check the shortest path. Shortest path. When you are choosing a shortest path, look at this one. Okay, let us see that. Okay, if I choose this one and this one. Okay, okay, in 8 path you can go diagonally. Okay, there is a one more way. uh, you can choose. Okay, like this. Okay, now I made a clear vision for you to understand. There's a green color arrow, green connectivity. It will take a 2. Okay, so 2 in the sense, okay, I'll tell you how the 2 means. The distance between the adjacent pixel will be considered as 1. I hope you understood. Okay, now when you're going from this pixel to this pixel, if your travels in this fashion, it will take a 2. Okay, what the condition, what the statement I made? The shortest path. Now, similarly, if you choose this one this way, you'll get a 1. So which one you want to choose? Either in this condition or in this condition. Yes, you take a diagonal pixel connectivity. Okay, I hope you understood now. Okay, I'll erase this one all. Okay, now. Okay, okay, all the way I have reached here. Re- Reached at this. Sorry, reached here. reaching at this point. Okay, now which are the adjacent pixel for this one? Okay, 0. Okay, 2. Anyway, it is a diagonal value. This one is also adjacent, but you can't go here. Okay, because if you go there, you'll be hang up. Okay, so what you can make here? Okay, what are the adjacent pixel for this one? 2, 0 and 1. This one, 1. Okay, which one you can choose? This one, right? Okay, all the way you have reached up to 0. Okay, now which point you are now? In the 0. Okay, which are the adjacent pixel? 2 is adjacent pixel, this 2 is adjacent pixel. Is it 1 is also adjacent pixel? Yes. Why? Because you are in 8 path. In 8 path you can go diagonally also. Okay, when you're going in diagonally, 2, it is not from the vector v. This 2 is not from the vector v. This 2 is not from the vector v. 1, is it from the vector v? Yes. Make a connection. Okay, I'll just erase all this one. Okay, what are the path you have chosen? Okay, I'm just rewriting it. 1 this way. Okay, and this way. Okay, now again this way. Okay, this is the connectivity. There is a path which exists between P and Q. Now when the path is exists, you just count number of arrows you made. 1 1 1 1. How many are there? Total 4. Means for 8 adjacency, okay, the total path length will be 4. I hope you understand. Just count it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 like that. Means is the 8 path is exist? Yes. What is the minimum length? 4. I hope you understood. Okay, now if I ask you to go like here, like this. Okay, now 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5. Now there is a 5. I hope you understood. Okay, means for the 8 adjacency, there are the two paths available. So if it is given to the software, it will be like it will be confusion for which one I have to choose, 4 or a 5. To overcome this problem, there exists a M path. I hope you understood. Okay, look at this. This way you can go, this way and this way. Okay, and this way and this way. Okay, if you travels like this, it will be 5. If you travel to this condition, it will be 4. Means there's a statement will be like a shortest path. But when you apply for the software to understand how it is supposed to be, so that to overcome this 4 or 5, they have given M path. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Okay, how the M path will be come into picture. Okay, let us see how the M path will be traversed. Okay, what is the minimum? What is the shortest path for the 8? It is a 4, shortest path. But there the two paths are exist, 4 and 5. I don't want to choose a 5. Okay, but it is exist. Yes. Okay. Now again I'll come to the M path. Let us start from begin from the P all the way you have to reach to Q. In M path, okay, you need to check it's a horizontal, vertical, that is all the horizontal and vertical pixels of the corresponding pixel, corresponding in the sense the center pixel. Okay, now and the very first one. Okay, now you in M path, okay, you remember that. Okay, in M path I made a two conditions. One, 4 path, or if it's intersecting pixel. Okay, if its intersecting pixel is not from the V, then you can make a diagonal connection. Okay, let us see how the statement will be solved. Okay, now is the 1, because what is the vector V? Vector V is 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Is the 1 is a neighbor of the P? Yes, you can make here, but you can't go in this fashion because you'll be hanged up, because this the neighboring pixel of 1 are 2, 2, this one 2, they are not from the vector v. So if the path will be closed, you can't proceed, so you can say no path is exist, but you need to search alternate path is exist or not. Okay, so what direction you can go, like this. Okay, now the previously in 8, okay, either you went like this or you went like this. If you traverse in this fashion, you get a 4 path, you get a 5 path. Then how the confusion to be overcome? Okay, now look at this. Now in M path, the very first one, okay, you need to check. Okay, when I am going in diagonally this fashion, diagonally in this way, okay, for this the corresponding this pixel and this pixel, because you are forming a path from 0 to 1. How you are making diagonal connectivity? When you're making the diagonal connectivity, check it's the common pixels. Common pixels are nothing but the common pixels are, okay, these are the common pixels. Look at this, these are the common, sorry, these are the common pixels. Common pixel in this is intersecting pixel. These intersecting pixel, this one and this one, for 0 and 1, these values, I'm just repeating, these values should not be from V. Means if these the intersecting pixel values are not from the V, then only you can make a diagonal connectivity. I hope the statement is clear. The intersecting means the common pixels, okay, the common pixels like this, okay, sorry, okay, that is a common pixel. Okay, which one? These pixels. Okay, they are the intersecting pixel for 0 and 1. These values should not be from V. If they are not from the V, then only you can make a diagonal connection. Okay, if not, then only you make a connection. Okay, but in this condition it is not true. Why? Because 2 is not from the V. Okay, that is correct. Okay, because 2 is not from the V, you think that you can make a diagonal connection, but there is a one more pixel 0, sorry, one more pixel adjacent pixel 1, because it is also common to 0 and 1. So intersecting pixel, I say intersecting pixel, it is from V now, because 1 is coming from the V, because what are the values of V? 0 and 1. So what you can do, you can't go diagonally. I hope you understood. Okay, if you can't go diagonally, in which direction you can go? Okay, in this direction you can make a connection. Okay, now why you can make a connection? In that's why, like in M path I told, if you can't make a diagonal connection, you can make a horizontal connection. Horizontal connection is nothing but 4 path connectivity you can make. I hope you understood this one. Okay, now I made a connectivity. Okay, now when watch in which direction I traveled here? Okay, now which direction? Like this. Okay, shall we go in diagonal? No, I had to make a connection in this fashion. Okay, now assume, now you are at this point. Okay, now I have to make a connectivity for its neighboring pixel. This one, this one, this one. Which one you want to choose? Okay, if you choose this one, again you will be hang up. Okay, because more number of paths. You can say like this also you can move, but you can't go. It is a path, unnecessary paths will be more. Okay, so what I'll do, okay, what we can do, okay, in this fashion. Okay, now I reached up to this point. Okay, now where you can go here. Okay, I can go here. 1. Yes. Okay, now look at this. Now all the way you have reached up to this point. Okay. Okay, now I have to make a connectivity from 1 to its neighboring pixel. Which are the neighboring pixel? 0 is neighboring pixel, 2 is neighboring pixel, 1 is neighboring pixel. Which one you want to make a connectivity for this? Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, because all the way I am making connectivity in this fashion. Okay, and now very interesting content to be understood. Okay, now all the way where you have to reach now? You have to reach to the q. Okay, now which are the neighboring pixels for the 0 and 1? Okay, 2 is a neighboring pixel, 2 is no neighboring pixel. Okay, now I'm in a topic on yum path, because I'm solving a problem related to yum path. Okay, now let us make a connection with the yum path diagonally. Check with the diagonally. Okay, when you're checking with the diagonally, which are the intersecting pixel for 0 and 1 now? 2 is intersecting pixel, this 2 is intersecting pixel. Are they from V? Now in this condition, no. Means you can make a diagonal connection. I hope understood. In the previous way, what happened here? This 2 is not from the V, but V1 is from the V. So you are not you are not allowed to make a diagonal connection. But in this condition, what happens? The intersecting pixel, these two, both are not from the V. So you make a diagonal connection between 0 and 1. So the path is exist. Okay, I hope the point is clear now. Okay, means now all the way you have reached up to 1. Okay, I'll make a clear clear line for you. Okay, how I reached 1, how I reached here this point, how I made connectivity, connectivity, and connectivity. Okay, now how many paths are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now what will be the length covered from P to Q in a yum path? It is total 5. There is not possibility of duplication. There is a one more path for the yum path. Why? Because earlier it was in A. It has happened that you get a two paths, one with a length of 4, one with a length of 5. That is a chaos. That problem has been overcome by yum path. Okay, means you get a only one constant path, that is a 5. Means what is the length of the 5? This is what how the problem. Okay, how the problem to be solved for 4, 8 m path between P and Q. Okay, I hope the problem statement and the solution is clear for you. Okay, in the coming class, okay, we'll see with the value are changed of value V and 1 2. Okay, I hope in today's class the how the traverse of path is clear. Just I made a change from 1 and 2. Okay, means earlier V will be 0 and 1. Now the V will be 1 and 2. Means when you're checking its corresponding neighboring pixel, you check that its value will be from vector V. Now value will 1 and 2. Value of V can be given anything. Okay, it will be depends on like a image and its pixel value. Okay, I hope you understood the class. Okay, this this is a statement how we are going to be finding the problems. Okay, thank you.